Hi guys! So it's 2020 and I know so many people are becoming vegan. And I also know that a lot of people are just dabbling. You want to eat less meat, right? Maybe do meatless Mondays. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 2 super delicious, easy to make recipes for Meatless Monday for meat lovers. And this video is sponsored by Kroger. They have a whole new line of plant-based foods. I'm going to be using 3 of those plant-based alternative ingredients. So let's get started with our Meatless Monday recipes for meat lovers. First, we're making loaded, meaty nachos. Start by dicing half an onion. For the meat replacement, we're using the Simple Truth Emerge Meatless Grind. It looks so much like meat, but it's made with pea protein. Sauté the diced onions in a skillet. Then add cumin seeds to toast. Once the onions are tender, add the meatless grind and use a spatula to break it apart. Add smoked paprika and stir some more. It will darken as it cooks. Cook for just 6 minutes, stirring occasionally. Prepare the other nacho ingredients. Slice the jalapeno peppers, dice the avocado, and chop lots of fresh cilantro. Now layer on the toppings. Top the tortilla chips with a layer of the meatless grinds, beans, avocado, salsa, jalapeno peppers, and dollops of the Simple Truth sour cream. Finish that off with a healthy sprinkling of cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lime. These nachos are the truth. So Kroger has a new line of Simple Truth plant-based products that I am super excited about because I just love the ingredients. They're made with integrity. They do really creative things, like for example in the sour cream, they're using butter beans to make it nice and creamy and smooth and rich, and it still tastes like sour cream. I'm just so impressed by the fact that they thought to do that. This is soy-free and dairy-free. Obviously dairy-free, so you don't have to worry about soy allergies and anything like that. Really nice ingredients. And also, for the nachos, I needed to use a vegan meat substitute, so I went with their Emerge Meatless Grind. Incredible on top of the nachos. This stuff is pea protein based. It's also soy-free. I'm just so impressed with Kroger right now and Simple Truth. For the plant-based Bolognese sauce, which we use for our lasagna to make it meaty, you guys, you know what they used? Red beans. This is the Bolognese sauce of my dreams. Like when I cook, when I do things like this from scratch, those are the type of ingredients that I like to use to replace the meat. Not a bunch of processed stuff, but beans and lentils and things like that. So, you know I'm super happy about this. For the lasagna, we'll start by whipping up our vegan cheese. In a food processor, combine firm tofu, salt, nutritional yeast, and apple cider vinegar. Blend until creamy, or until your desired texture is reached. This is also good, kind of crumbly. Now prepare the veggies. Minced garlic, slice a red bell pepper, slice mushrooms, and chop a large bunch of spinach. The more veggies, the merrier. Sauté the garlic and then add the red bell pepper and a sprinkle of salt. Once they start to soften, add the mushrooms and cook until they're tender. Add the spinach and cook until it's also tender and nice bright green. Now we can layer the lasagna. Spread a layer of Simple Truth plant-based Bolognese sauce on the bottom of a baking dish, and then add a layer of noodles. Top with the vegan cheese, vegetables, and Bolognese sauce. Repeat until you've used all the ingredients. Finish with a layer of the sauce and the tofu cheese. Bake it for 25 minutes and serve hot. So there you have it. Now you have 2 more recipes that you can make for Meatless Monday. I hope you enjoy these recipes as much as I do. I will admit that after I made the nachos, I basically could not stop eating them. I went overboard, and I even made some rice because I figured, let me take all of that and I'm gonna make like a taco salad. So with rice, I did with rice, kale, the meatless grind, the beans, avocado, and the sour cream, and it was so delicious. So you can get creative. You don't just have to do it with just plain nachos. You could use these ingredients for other things too, like a gigantic taco bowl. Maybe I'll post that recipe later. Thumbs up on this video if you want to see my taco bowl recipe, okay? And leave a comment down below. Let us know if you have any questions about going vegan for 2020 or just sticking with your Meatless Monday if that's where you're starting. And thank you to Kroger for sponsoring this video. I really, really enjoyed cooking with all of these products. No matter how you start your vegan journey, I've got your back. You can do this. If you need more advice, tips, recipes, support, you've come to the right place by coming to my channel. I have a Vegan 101 playlist, which I'm gonna link down below. Check that out if you need more about starting your vegan lifestyle. If you have questions about protein and how much to eat and what should I make and what supplements to take, check out that playlist. I have it all covered for you there. So good luck to you guys. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.